Everything is changing at great speed, keeping pace with the advances that technology brings to all sectors of life. And it was in this context that the Marix miniaturized floor spring entered the market. Residential and commercial projects increasingly demand products that combine functionality, beauty, safety, and practicality. In its development, the aim was to combine the lightness and delicacy of the pivot pin with the functionality of springs. Based on this idea, the world's first floor miniaturized spring was developed. Made of stainless steel, it is corrosion-free and completely sealed. It prevents the entry of liquids, providing greater resistance, durability, and easy installation. It weighs only 10 ounces and features a robust structure capable of supporting doors weighing 550 pounds and door widths starting from the spring at 4 feet. The Marix spring requires less storage space and transportation costs due to its size and weight. It opens to both sides with a fixed stop function at a point around 90 degrees, closing perfectly aligned. It rotates 360 degrees when placed at the center of the door, thus supporting double the weight and width. The Marix spring does not require adjustment. Its internal mechanism is made of sintered steel, activated by a chrome silicone spring with automotive technology, which ensures opening and closing without the need to push or pull with force. The return speed of the Marix spring has its force load dissipated quickly, ensuring total safety in its use. It should be installed with a lock without a flange. Its small-scale design makes environments beautiful and harmonious. The Marix spring does not deregulate, providing greater energy savings in air-conditioned environments by keeping the door always closed and aligned. Wooden doors should be installed with pivot locks and cushioning strips around the lining. The application for aluminum doors is quite extensive, suitable for both aluminum and glass doors, as well as doors that are entirely made of aluminum. The use of doors with metals and other noble materials is gaining wide acceptance, and the Marix spring perfectly adapts to this new style of doors. In homes, the Marix spring is ideal for front doors, living rooms, bedrooms, bathrooms, and especially kitchens, preventing food odors from spreading throughout the house. The Marix spring greatly facilitates access within hospitals and is also ideal for hotels. The use of Marix springs in clinics, offices, and stores is growing every day. Think of an environment that Marix adapts.
I recommend the Marix spring for its modern design and performance in all aspects. It replaces pivot pins, hinges, conventional springs, and overhead springs with great advantages. Marix guarantees lightness, safety, and practicality to my projects.
At the end of this presentation, watch the full video on installing the Marix spring. We draw your attention to 4 important points during the installation. First, the Marix spring must not be struck on the pin before or during its installation. Second, the drilling should always be done with a diamond hole saw drill bit of 1 9/16 inches in diameter, as the spring has a diameter of 1.5 inches. The hole should have a depth of 2 3/4 inches. Third, the hole must be clean, because the bottom of the spring should always remain free without being pressed against the base of the hole. And fourth, when securing the spring screws to the floor, the door must be well aligned in the closed position. The Marix miniaturized spring enhances properties by making spaces more harmonious and comfortable thanks to its modern design, quality, and safety, durability, and practicality. All this with more savings in time and money. The Marix spring is present throughout the world, including Europe, America, and Asia. Marix has its brand and patent registered in the major industrial countries of the world. Everyone benefits. The planet, because Marix is environmentally friendly. The consumer because Marix guarantees safety and quality with the best cost-benefit ratio. And the market because Marix's business philosophy is that the entire production chain must be respected, creating harmony in all relationships. Marix is design, practicality, ergonomics, and technology. All this with a 5-year warranty.